Unfanchemi na mo mame kwan mo bie kwan na mame na me file. Eno so 3 months. Eno so twam na 6 months ni twam a. You are closed.
Untimi nya hwe bi o.
Bi o pela wu na to say judgment na ye dia ama no e be ye adwuma.
Okay.
Na ono no ukofale notice of appeal no so wi a registrar no be free for settlement of records. Moko settlement of records are this time no question okoye and nipa no ade question ko ono so be free. He is the respondent now. Ono so be free, ono so be court settlement no. Na the registrar bi samo e den na opese wo de ko appeal. We say okay bibia I see wo court any me documents are me didi adanse nyina mo pack ni nyina ambo ni nyina no na mo fa come appeal for na fan over the other side no no so Canadian don so pese ko appeal court na register na hihye ni nyina na fe wo ya appeal no wo bond bibia wo say wo sign no wa ye ni nyina na aboa omo ya registry ho no mo be type proceedings ni nyina your friend record of appeal omo bet type ni nyina into booklets. Sometimes it me booklets in sometimes me depending on no ma call case no mu. So nti omo type ni nyina hwia omo de bema afane afa obi an kohwem so se mo hwem boni bia ni da ama mo mere se obi an fa na otwenko read bibia you okay a obi okra the register bo ha all ma that opportunity to even go through or type wie ye na wa bind ni ade ni nyina wa chiro chi record of appeal ni ade nyina no na wa bre o copy na wa bre o opponent no nso copy na or the book ni be wi a na or the form bi document bi was wa chiro bi o so no wa sign civil form 6.
Okay.
Na odi ado so serve nti odi book ma wo no no de civil form 6 account una wo call appeal nti the book appeal book ni civil form 6 nso ne no de serve na odi bi so serve the opponent. Now civil form 6 ni means say won saka civil form 6 no you have 21 days within which to file your written submission. Wo argument I pese wo ye de nti I will say appeal high court judgment ni nye ni mo wa na say ti amra na isa nyam wo betro ni nyina akotukotu wo cases a wo de be support nema wo de be support wo case ni nyina wo be kotukotu ni nyina na ade wom e wo submission no mu na within 21 days say wo file so to file na ye ko serve the other person na ono so na the 21 days has started from baby awo de any end yen.
Okay.
Na ono so e wo 21 days to respond to o argument why your paper so no nti total of about 42 days na afanu ni nyina no obia submitting written submissions at the appeal court level. Enti mo ye ne sa na fe de court afrem appeal court be from we be sa wa file submission yes also wa file the bibi o how de be kan ho there bi also there be okay mama mo date for mo mra na mo meje judgment sa na ye no appeal court ho de anya de fe na wo de obi
betra sabesi
there be say BBSC ama wa file special emotion bi say me pacho bi ye fe na mehu say evidence bi time ye di asan high court no ni ho
ta fe na me
saka say me saka yanka judgment ne sesan nti and the appeal court no bi to am akwa say okay fabra wo mo hwe na say to asoma but wo mo hwe na judgment bi a na hwe wo pass na wa hwehwe fe na wa ya no say ye ma ho kwan so ye ma ho kwan say fabra but shall judgment be document be anke be how anke be sisan case no fe na abam baby na e woni ade fe na won saka anke nya ade a won sabeka na fe de won saka na ndo ma ho kwan say fabra but otherwise after you have been served with the civil form 6 you have 21 days to file your written submission. then your opponent has 21 days, beginning from where your 21 days ends. Your 21 days end, no? Now, also maybe I started. Now, also 21 days. Now, Question's case is that, say, 21 days, no, so, not say, on file submission, no, enquire. Court Beko say, you have not complied with the rules. Any friend of non-compliance.
Okay.
The court be appeal in name. So and be na say ato papa no.
Into Chemusa na say
the previous judgments.
Oh, okay.
It stands.
You can't call yourself to be MP.
There be the High Court ruling is
now, I about to say I want to mean
can the Albert say obe file motion. In fact, non-compliance and Kasan one more the paper before say bra court.
Okay.
Two things. Me now de me akọ. When I appeal now de me akọ. 21 days now so me to me I apply akọ to say 21 days me won serve me nya hwe. My search me who say won file into court in track case no me to me aye.
Okay.
And number 2, registrar so bet me aye. Registrar con the records man who say papa we need 21 days now so anya register summons. And also Beko ombe file normal block copy say register summons for non-compliance bracket. I bet you the 21 days no. Home file so now what you can do is that udu court better won say mu na dia e bia high court ne dia obeka say still ayetwam what's my kind of toss na dia but once I die nimu say non-compliance in the ayetwam ti opa your motion fofo fabra besre kwan say omo san bi kwan ma na file to reinstate your appeal. I know so I need that. But in the case in this say, me say one more a file a motion to reinstate and I say, but me say you trouble no. I say be we can create trouble. And you say non-compliance and you strike out the appeal no. And then I mean the question. So as it stands now, say on filing motion, be say or they call reinstate or corporate on the amount of clients on reinstating the idea there. And then I say
that is the end.
Yeah, that's the end.
Now, so to be filing be for reinstatement, are they going to begin the case? And I said they will look into the ruling from the High Court, Abeto Appeals Court.
Okay. And court now say reinstatement. You must have a very good reason why. Because here inside about 21 days. A bit more about 7 days. So be file. You must give a very good reason why 21 days when to me and find your shit. If the amount 7 days are then I'll be here. So what I say? Enti say Namia Wadum na say be kind say okay, amount 7 days and I amount 14 days or the fabra. Now yinti was seminar. Then it continues from where they left off. One day. As if say they are several from 644. But this time you don't have the 21 days. You have the days that have been given to you by the court. Court, appeal court in share the amount say no self and non-soon far away in the brand. I know never but it's deemed to say from that day now, court need be a crime or no. You are saying several from 644 to quickly now assign the court. And also, when to me and sign fan code there, it means that your case is still dead. So now to say, I'm saying honorable question around funny written submission and
all right,
non-compliance.
So, Mamma, fan cartoon, for Confanoche Teaching Hospital, Cancer Treatment Center, no. The Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong donation a oye e de akobo Sabia no patcho hwe screen so account details ni na we ADB bank and I'll betimi akwakoye this transaction that account no so account name Oman FM flood victims account number 113100005341001 Madina branch Momo number so betimi adonate bia famomo 0542869979. Edinu Kenneth Techi Agyapong. Kenneth Techi Agyapong. Nti also donate kakra fako amaye. Honorable Ken and I boa confanoche. Why be pen uguso ye? Nti also found the kakra beka home. Spanish garlic mixture capsules. Bibidru mu da ho a edinu bran be dunsia na aye. Ti she no so obi a or menstrual disorders. Or baby when I feature ko bu nsa instead of 6-7 days no ono nyem be 2 days I was we on echo ade o how or bema sabi also or problem just o how no ano den diabetes tete kakra no akodwo so bema e bi to oba so bi to pacho wa otisa no ohia Spanish garlic mixture capsules and afi o na aseta tatai sani onante kakra no abre senke tena se anopai me na ase nyina peja pacho ohia Spanish garlic mixture capsules e bibidro tatahwe a aba eboa Ghana for and your Spanish jingle for anti-aging. About 60 years, but the person still looks young. Spanish jingle no. Nti wonso copy binom. Was there be original naso e dani ni pedua no ma look young. For 0266 114 111. SIM card registration. Nanka was say end 31st March. And the good news is that 31st July of this year, you extend the date, you know. Still, a be born, or be better translated in such a demon factor. So, 31st July, they go home. They may home a crack. A power one. You say, yes, I will be a CBU and what me a Ghana card. But your Cocoyo Ghana card never register SIM card. Yes, our SIM card, no, you become a tremusua ultimate find your way. We in Krato and Penny Force, Yafamo. Any lawyer Stephen call me Asante Beko and a Dinkomokazo. So, in this regard, can it be, say you just strike it out in summer and I say, one follow the procedure, no? A bit like I say, I will say, I'm Rashibi just seen the coin say, oh, my Rashibi, and I said,
yeah, I am so young lost and not say, I know who obey before complain sort of. So I say, Judge B. Emma judgment and I say ruling and I say order. Now, and your day, and I will need to more. I'm say until that order or judgment has been set aside, no, obey whatever there is there in.
Okay. Say I was say ojitum. You want to odiso.
Unyin to mukra say odiso.
Okay.
And you may not necessarily accept it. Sent you and your day, but I'm running say you do and you do this so. And some of complaining says stay of execution, stay of proceedings, and no. Yeah, so once court and say and come bedroom and from who say MP. What file appeal? But there is no stay of execution because stay of execution in the UTM we are farmer. In Tisamra no be a juma to obekwa appeal. Now when we knew appeal, Honyami or Adum now we near. Na adani High Court judgment, you know. So there be a High Court judgment now I'm from Sonia Diana. Once I would do two say oh Ghana ni bio then san ko mo fan sana. Minim their court back but so I kind of saw there and sana once I start to say oh okay any meko me say no court na still Ajima to say me MP. Appeal court Ajima to say me MP.
Okay.
What High Court judgment but once there is no stay of because yes stay of execution now court no bogu. It means that the judgment is still working. Bibia when one to me and find any na NC judgment no judgment and I say court order be a judgment no e adwuma enti no I was say right from Cape Coast days na High Court days na court na yes say we no na watch Assin because the obey bia with the tia in their court can be no amounts to contempt.
For now, you are quaking as MP for Assin, you strike it out. or come na shebi joma book court na nimtia into mention contempt
you better contempt it mention contempt serious contempt no subsequently nyama bebrebe to me follow say ye constitution da manim say onye MP a untumi vote nti after high court judgments say wonye MP no e betumi do akogina court say after that day court parliament bia wo call any voting bia call so a wo two bibia no that time na wonye MP a court say wonye MP.
Wow.
And also your criminal offense.
For example, you talk about your speaker. We heard say court my orders say that time High Court, Cape Coast High Court say you regime Jechi Kwesi man and Kotua Banibi.
Good.
But still good. Or Kosu Tuaba. Abasa Senator.
One, it's contemptuous contempt of court. It's also between so leading to criminal prosecution. Because once a court say unye MP no. And Emran so says, so when your MP and co parliament Kotuaba no. They say, mean to me, co parliament Kotuaba. MP. So I say, the Kotuaba is ya. I was a chimney, near the court, could you must na. Me before say, I'm part me MP in a Kotuaba. I say, I switch your court to the mammy. And now say, me atuaba, na me winnie, and I court to see Debbie, and you're not winnie when you MP. Not still me for so called, na me Kotuaba. Na court say me nyempia it means that the amaye no etiamra e san so book court no so nim 20 contempt one side criminal prosecution another criminal offense another side.
So in this regard James Jechi what we were hearing is until the court case BC no court should write to the Parliament House or court should give them notice said this is what has happened in our court and the Parliament munso say maybe more kekani before maybe because say court no appeals court and fan come Parliament there he can still hold himself as MP. Sanity.
That is wrong.
Wow.
That is wrong. You see, and yet Parliament and a stop from being an MP.
Okay.
And your court now stop who knows which one. Who can over to our Parliament say now the judgment copy I can say no Parliament mean to me maybe a sense of court to say my MP. So what I say. And in the first place, Adentina court I catch a Ujina court will be Parliament in your hobby. When I Ujina court and I court I catch us a win MP hobby. Adentina is a woko. Now Parliament has stopped from going there.
Wow.
So what's a argument, Nasi? Court in here say yes, court can notify Parliament, but that is just abundance or out of abundance of caution. And yet, one day, boy, in seminar, oh, you might notice say Papa way, and it can be any side. It could be from any party. Court can say, what party now? Wow, interested party now. What they call assembly court, no. And yet, court now never travel. Court will never do that. But we are plenty for what they are some MP be across on your MP now. When I be notified with a copy of the court's judgment, or done, no, they say this is the situation on your MPBMT. This is just to notify you now. More your provisions for MPCB are more funny didn't come. So, okay, but who win the Panaka work on so too? You advise yourself, say, hey, court to say, MP, my main could be let me pull out.
Okay. Lawyers to come Asante Beko and Eddie come out. Yamra this so now say told you deputy speakers in Timin Twaba. Me person who to be a Parliament and the Ghana Constitution and our Supreme Court. One I can say and one also man non orders.
I ask some question to say. So who say you were three branches.
Okay.
Governing branches. Your executive. And only Omampenia any presidency no neade. And all the ministers, police, security services now come under the executive. The enforcement of law, responsibility of the executive. I mean, a police force and say court no, which is a judiciary. I know they will be pronounced at the end. We say your executive, your judiciary, and your legislative. Executive, your president, and I say any woman shisha na sinyina ni nkrofo no mu ye adwuma nyina. And legislative parliament. Imrashe
okay.
And judiciary.
And a court, justice
system.
Okay.
So, Oceano, a tree, the Narcasson Hine, Yakas, I mean to me, but the American I can say, Emran say executive, and Edikain, president is the #1 in the country.
Okay.
Only one abedi, or no say an abedi, say a president, or no say a executive now.
Okay.
Into one or more in that order. So, you are the next person our parliament.
Okay.
So, Nancy, which officer number 2? Or try Barumian Habe number 2. And see, I know our ho, and now, say, President in your vice in your speaker, Beshachiri.
Okay.
Speaker in your Chief Justice Beshachiri.
Okay.
That's the in order of sanity. But to me, you know, some fan can say, and when you know, because Ubia monitor Nyonko.
Okay.
Checks and balances and never. In the first place, in the Abeka, so Ubia independent, but Ubia independence, no,
I should be
limited to a point. Because executive, we say we are independent. Adena, you. Ministers near there. One can say, continents in a year, ministry or year. This is what the NACO parliament has.
Veterans.
It means that parliament has come in.
Okay.
So what I say, parliament has come in.
Okay.
And I say, executive Okobobosia, Minister of Finance, Okobobosia, the ABB, near there. Okobobosia, man on it. Unto concentrating quite and Kabaka me independent there, me
parliament.
It's parliament. No, me check it.
But in all, no, sir, bodies here can was the executive, the judicial, the legislature, and the others. Constitution, which is the supreme, almost saying constitution, Anna.
Obia niwa also saying constitution of Ghana.
Nobody,
no organization, no individual, no agent, no entity is bigger than the constitution. Yenina yaji intumi no a free constitution. The constitution atena yenina yeso atena emra bia so Ghana. Enti yesi ukoshe emra to the extent say sa emra na wakoshe no. Any constitution no boy bura umra no intwom so that until I am for the Beko court na they are recently Beka who say deputy ministers in there almost
deputy speakers
deputy speakers here somewhere can so obi the court like madam or the court just something like no the court I say Assembly the entire
the Supreme Court in Chichim.
Supreme Court in Chichim. Say executive, I don't know, but open baby, obi shano. So are you bibina and Tasenso in Yajuma? I don't know why no Supreme Court will to me so can say there be there yet. To say interwoven and then Obia should be so in a way.
Okay.
Now I am me and son. Because Supreme Court judges and also cry no name, so Chief Justice na then answer near be you woman also cry also cry this one called Parliament. Meanwhile, the president is the one
who appoints.
The executive will appoint, and then the legislative
will confirm you.
Will also vet
you, okay,
and confirm. They can say no to the president's choice, the executive's choice. So some over to na yes we fail.
I think that just a lawyer here, Abdullah or the case no court no. I think the opposition leader John Mahama can say on call for review and I'll say he's not the best person to advise him.
Yes.
Did no cancer?
Oh say we have in law no. if you are not a lawyer, you cannot interpret the law.
Wow.
When you're a lawyer, you can't interpret the law. And I think so he made that sharp statement. Later, it's also a compatriot, but he made that sharp statement because who say maybe Mahama, former President Mahama, any lawyer.
Okay.
Until you cannot advise a lawyer as to what to do.
Okay.
So what you saying? And then the clients and so no. And ex-president also when the clients and then you want to on fast as seven so I think that's what prompted his sharp response.
No.
Won't me advice. Definitely. And also right.
Who's a lawyer and who say if the Supreme Court speaks there and one no so who he didn't call for review.
Oh yeah. And the Supreme Court no but Akwenya say I will say we be call for review. Sentia say enye dwuma be call for review.
Okay.
Na omo
aye. My main kind message to Dr. Owusu-Afriyie, my regards to him, best a great minister. I say I'm chairman of Pambo inside Atwimamponua constituency. I don't know there what they about I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Papa say